Welcome into Tube family. Today, you see computer screen types. There are several types of computer screens, each with its own technology and features. Here are the most common types. 1. LCD Liquid Crystal Display TN Twisted Pneumatic. Pros: fast response times, affordable. Cons: poor color reproduction, narrow viewing angles. IPS in-plane switching. Pros: excellent color accuracy, wide viewing angles. Cons: slower response times, more expensive than TN, VA vertical alignment. Pros: good color reproduction, high contrast ratios. Cons: slower response times than TN, more expensive. 2. LED light emitting diode, essentially an LCD screen that uses LEDs for backlighting. Pros: energy efficient, thinner screens, better contrast and brightness than traditional LCDs. 3. Old organic light emitting diode uses organic compounds that emit light when electric current is applied. Pros: excellent color accuracy, high contrast ratios, fast response times, can be made very thin and flexible. Cons: expensive, potential for burn-in over time. 4. QLED Quantum Dot LED uses quantum dots to enhance color and brightness. Pros: better color accuracy and brightness compared to regular LEDs, long lifespan. Cons: more expensive than standard LED screens. 5. MicroLED consists of tiny LEDs that function as individual pixels. Pros: excellent color accuracy, high brightness, no burn-in issues. Cons: currently very expensive and not widely available. 6. CRT Cathode Ray Tube, older technology, largely obsolete. Pros: excellent color accuracy and contrast, can handle multiple resolutions well. Cons: bulky, heavy, high power consumption. 7. Plasma uses small cells containing electrically charged ionized gases. Pros: good color accuracy, high contrast ratios. Cons: heavy, high power consumption, potential for burn-in. Largely obsolete. 8. Touchscreen monitors can be based on any of the above display technologies, but with added touch sensitivity. Pros: interactive, intuitive for certain applications. Cons: generally more expensive, may have glare issues and be prone to smudges. Each type of screen has its advantages and disadvantages, and the best choice depends on the intended use, budget, and personal preferences. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us and helps the channel grow. Leave a like, drop a comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for being part of this amazing community.